Okay, so after you've started blocking in your shoe, you can start putting in and blocking in the basic shapes of your shoe. So there's lots of different fabric folds and prominent shapes on shoes, so it's going to be a good object to start using these comparative measurements with. So as you can see, I started doing just the basic outline of the interior of the shoe. I didn't start doing any real fine details anywhere yet, because right now I'm just getting in the overall basic shape and proportion of the shoe and trying to get accuracy with that. And now that I'm looking at it, I can see that I need to make some alterations. For example, up here in this area, and I can see here on the shoe, this part, this light red part of the shoe is larger on the shoe, or on the boot, than I have in my drawing. So I need to make some alterations and start making that a little bit larger. And when I make something larger, I might need to make something else smaller. So I'm making this part of the fabric a little bit smaller, and same with this part. I need to go ahead and make that a little bit smaller so that I can make this part of my fabric fit within this. And when I start changing one thing, it often means that I'll have to go and change the other things connected to that. And within a drawing, everything is connected. So every time you make a change alteration, it changes everything else within the shoe. Everything's in relation to one another. That's what we're trying to figure out with practicing proportions. So this is what your next step will look like, a rough outline and basic shapes of your shoe.